Hey everyone, if Guidde AI isn't capturing your screen correctly, recordings won't start, screenshots are missing, or the screen capture feature keeps failing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Guidde AI screen capture problems in 2026. First, make sure the Guidde browser extension is installed correctly and updated to the latest version. An outdated extension can often cause recording and screen capture issues. Next, check your browser permissions. Guidde needs permission to capture your screen, browser tabs, and sometimes your microphone. If these permissions are blocked, screen recording may not work properly. To verify permissions, open your browser settings and review the site and screen sharing permissions associated with Guidde. Make sure access has been granted. Another common fix is refreshing the browser and restarting the recording process. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent screen capture from launching correctly. And that's how to fix Guidde AI screen capture problems in 2026. In most cases, updating the extension, checking permissions, and disabling conflicting browser tools will get screen recording working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.